Here are two examples from the permutations section for discrete math. So the first example is find the number of permutations of the set A, which includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, taken 3 at a time. So in other words, this is asking like how many 3 number combinations can you get? So if you have 1, 2, 3, that would be one permutation. 1, 3, 7 is another one. So how many of those could you get? And the way you do this is it's 7p3, and the formula for that is 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 3 factorial. So this 7, and then the 7 and 3 come from the 7 and the 3. So 7 factorial on the top, and 7 minus 3 is 4, so I have 4 factorial on the bottom. And the way to do this, well, the way I choose to do it, is I write it as 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial. And I stop there because there's a 4 factorial on the bottom, and my 4 factorials cancel, and then I get 7 times 6 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 times 7 is 210. Thus, there are 210 different permutations of the numbers 1 through 7. The second example is find the number of distinguishable permutations of the letters in the word associative. So the way you do this is you first count how many letters are in it. So there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's 11 factorial divided by, you need to divide by any repeated letters. So the A is repeated twice, so that's a 2 factorial. And then the S, we have 2 here, and that's it. So I have another 2 factorial. And then, let's see, there's only one O, only one C. There's an I here and an I here, so that's in the 2 factorial. There's only one C, there's only one T, one V, one E. So this is 11 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial. So if I were to write this out, I'd have 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial. And I have 2 factorial that I'm going to cancel, and then I have 2 more 2 factorials, and 2 factorial is just 2 times 1, so I have that. So those 2's will cancel with that 4. And if you multiply all this out, you'll get 4,989,600. So that's how many distinguishable permutations of the letters in associative.